Good morning, children. A warm welcome to all to the virtual classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I'm Jaypriya here from the Department of Mathematics to teach you how to do combined addition and subtraction. See, children, before we start solving the examples, it is important to note that whenever addition and subtraction operations come together in a problem, do the operation that is given first from left to right. Let us look at the first example. 7763 plus 6594 minus 306. Kids, we will first add the two numbers and then subtract the third number from the sum. So, let us begin the first step, that is add first two numbers. So, when we add these two numbers, we will get the sum 14,357. Now, we will move to the step 2, that is subtract the third number from the sum. So, when we subtract 306 from 14,357, we will get the answer 14,051. So, 7,763 plus 6,594 minus 306 is equal to 14,051. Now, let us look at another example. 2,335 plus 1,545 minus 2,660. Now, let us begin the first step, that is add first two numbers. When we add 2,335 plus 1,545, we will get the sum 3,880. Then we can move to the step 2, that is subtract the number from the sum. So we can subtract 2,660 from 3,880. Then we get the difference as 1,220. Therefore, 2,335 plus 1,545 minus 2,660 is equal to 1,220. One more example. 4,672 minus 2,418 plus 9,345. Let us begin the first step. See, children, in this example, the subtraction comes first. So, we can add the first number to the number with the plus sign before it. So, add 4,672 and 9,345. Then we get the sum as 14,017. Next we can move to next step, that is from this sum subtract the number with the minus sign before it. So 14,017 minus 2,418. So we get the difference as 11,599. Therefore, 4,672 minus 418 plus 9345 is equal to 11,599. Okay, children. Now I believe you all have learned how to do combined addition and subtraction. Please keep practicing more problems from your home. See you on next section with another topic. Take care. Thank you.